Hey, yo, this video right here is being sponsored in part by RinkyCases.com. Go to www.rinkystore.com. Let's get to the intro. Let's roll. Yo, what's up, Stream Team subscribers? It's Dan Tanner, the bad boy of tech. And people, this right here is a special review because this is a second. Well, you know what I'm saying? Because first, Xfinity Mobile did this to me, but now, out of the blue, I'm checking my emails the other day, and I get an email from Rinky. Yes, indeed, the case maker. They say they've been following my videos and they love my work, and they would love for me to do a 100% honest, no fluff and no passes review on 2 of their cases. So I said, okay, go ahead and send it to me. So it came today. We're about to get it. So I'm about to open this box right up here live. You dig? Okay. Came with a nice note, which is a great touch from Rinky. It's saying thanks for considering their latest products, and they're excited to present the Rinky cases featuring military grade protection for the S9 Plus. Yes, indeed. For my baby right here. Yes. And then the cases that's in the box are the Fusion Clear and the Onyx Black cases. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go ahead and see what's in this damn box. Let's get to the goodness. Let's roll. Okay, cool. That's nice. They sent me some cable ties and everything. Hey, I'm a producer and I got a whole lot of damn wires going on. So man, much respect, Rinky, for sending me these complimentary, you know what I'm saying, wire ties and everything. They will be put to good use, no doubt about it. Okay, they also sent some wipes for the screen and everything. Also a nice touch. Nice complimentary little gift right there. But here we go here, people. The first case right here. This is the Fusion Clear. Yes, indeed. Packaging. Okay, the packaging is okay. You know what I'm saying? But let me go ahead and tear this boy open and get it rolling. Yes, sir. Oh, that's dope. I love the way, so far, this is pretty lit. I love the way they got the instructions inside here. You know what I'm saying? Right here, just in case you don't know how to do it. They got it right there. Then they're also telling me to enjoy my free gift. Okay. I respect they racking up mad points. And then also a thank you. Dope. Loving it. Okay, not bad. All right, so far, it seems like for a thin case, seems pretty sturdy and rigid. It's not hella fat bendable. It's bendable a little bit and everything. But let me go ahead and slap this boy on my baby real quick. You dig? Because you guys know that for the last couple of years, I've been strictly a Spigen guy. You know what I'm saying? I gave Caseology a chance, but it just didn't work for me. But anyway, they also sent this lanyard that came with the clear case. The lanyard that came with the clear case. Okay, I'm rocking with that. With the clear case. So let me slap this damn phone inside this case. There we go. No, I didn't remove the stickers yet or anything, but it's pretty nice. Got a little protection right there, if you can see it. Hold on, if you need to get closer, there we go, I got you, don't worry about it. See the little razivity right there? Not bad. So the chin and forehead is definitely gonna protect this phone somewhat. Not bad at all. Pretty good. Yes, sir. So far, I'm liking the way it feels in my hands, because this phone right here ain't that bulky no way, and it feels good in the hands by itself. But I'm a clear case fanatic, honestly, people. I love clear cases, and this one is pretty damn dope. I'm impressed so far. Hey, you guys know when if something is whack, I'm gonna let your ass know. Period. All right, cool. Let's get to the next case. Get this boy off. And that's good. It's kind of hard to get off too. That mean that this boy is on there and your phone is secure when you put it on. All right. Now it's time for the Black Onyx. Okay. Let's get this boy cracking open. All right. This one also came with a lanyard. Dopeness. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And of course, another enjoy your free gift card. And another thank you. You're more than welcome, and thank you for hitting me up. You dig? Okay, check this out. Let's go to the big screen again. Let's get it. This one right here has a brushed metal finish with a little carbon fiber little print. It's made out of TPU rubber and everything, but it's a nice design. Got some Rinke branding on here. I'm liking this design. I'm liking this. No doubt about it. This is pretty dope. Then on the inside, more branding and everything. Soft to the touch. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So let me go ahead and throw my baby in here and let's see what it is. Come here, baby. Oh, yes, sir. Not bad. All the cutouts, accurate. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I like the way the buttons are. Really clicky. Speaking. Whoa. Watch out. Rinke is coming at you. Okay, cool. These buttons, and speaking, if you're watching, please, like on this Tough Armor, the buttons are kind of flush, so sometimes I get my buttons mixed up, but the way that Rinke did these buttons right here, they got the texture on the Bixby button that's different than the volume rocker. All you S9 and S9 Plus owners know what the hell I mean. We always get this damn button mixed up with the damn volume rocker, and it's kind of nerve-wracking at times, but salute to Rinke for going ahead and make a difference with the button texture and everything, the feel of the button. People, I'm liking this. And yes, and for a very thin case, let me take you back to the big screen again so you can see the forehead and chin of this boy. Let's get it. Yes, sir. You see? It's some raisiness to this. You know what I'm saying? So when you lay it flat down or whatever, your phone is protected somewhat. Yes, indeed. So not bad, not bad. Okay, Rinke. I see you. I see you. Okay. This might be my gym case right here. When I hit the gym, this might be it right here. So man, people, my first time reviewing a Rinke case, my first experience with a Rinke case, period. They get a Dan Tanner stamp of approval. Put a stamp on it. Yes, indeed. Man, Rinke, you did your thing. And people, if you want to go ahead and order you a Rinke case, just go right here. Let me show you where to go. To rinkestore.com. And as you can see right there, they're having 20% off when you sign up and enter your email address. So that's a hella fat deal. And I saved this scene just in case I like the damn cases, because man, you guys know I'm hard on tech. I done reviewed some stuff and definitely trashed it. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But people, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official, you know what I mean? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanner, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy. Thanks a lot, Rinke. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.